Page 21. So page 21, line 1. Let's find our patterns here. For line 1, left hand, what is this first note right here? Yes. So this is one of the ones that you really have to have memorized by the end of the semester, followed by another one that I've been telling you to memorize as well. What is G? So you see the left hand is only going to go C, G, C, G, C, G, C. Back and forth. So let's go ahead and play that line with hands together, and we're going to do the repeat. So pinky on C, thumb on C. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat, ready, and how'd it go? Pretty good. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at patterns here for the right and left hand. So here on the left hand, we see again that C3 that we've been talking about memorization. It stays on C, goes up by step, down by step, back to C, and then there's one little skip right here, and then step, step down. So it never goes higher than that E, right? Now let's look at the right hand. It's starting here on E, and it seems to be following the left hand in parallel motion. Right? And the first moment where it breaks that is here and here. Up to then, we have parallel motion. And then right at the end, this F is going down by step to 1. The D is going to 1, I'm sorry. F is going down by step to E. And the left is going down by step from D to C. So it's back to doing parallel motion. So it's only here on that third measure that the motions are going to be a little bit different for a sec there. So let's try hands together right away. Pinky on C, finger 3 on E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 1. 2. Now check it out. Left hand skips up. And then the hands now go in contrary motion by step. Let's do that measure again. Third measure. Ready. Third measure has an E on the right, a C on the left. Third measure. Ready. Go. All right, let's go from the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense? All right. Third exercise, let's look for patterns. Check it out. Left hand starts on the C, goes up to that G. Next thing that happens with the left hand, back to the C, and then it goes up to where? F. F. Then next line, still same exercise, back to C and up to G again. So there's that pattern a little bit, and then it repeats the G on here on the left. Goes down by step, down by step. In the rest here in between, we have kind of like a call and response, right? The left hand plays, the right hand responds, the left hand plays, the right hand responds. So let's go ahead and play exercise 3, both lines really slow, hands together. So left hand starts by itself with the pinky on C, right hand on measure 2 shows up with thumb on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now left hand has a G, right hand's an E. All the way from the beginning of the exercise. How'd it go? Pretty good? Alright, last one. Let's look for patterns again. On the left hand, we start here on that C, and we go back to that, go up to that G again, and play 3 of them. And then what is this note here on the left hand on the third measure? D. And then we go back up to G. And what is this note here on the next line of the left hand? E, and then back to G, and then here we have F. So every other note, every other measure, the left hand is going up by step, right? Measure 1 left hand, we have C. Skip a measure, we have D. Skip a measure, we have E. Skip a measure, we have F. So notice that. All right, this is in 3/4, so I'm gonna count 3, and we start with the pinky on C and finger 3 on E. 1, 2, 3. Now D on the left, right playing F. Now E on the left, right playing G. Let's repeat. Ready, go. How do you feel? Yay! Sight reading is getting easier, isn't it?